I use Airtable for a number of things, and I thought I'd spend a minute and just show how easy it is to create management tables within Airtable. What I love about Airtable is it's a relational database. So you're not just organizing information, but you're actually creating a database. So in this case, what I like to do is work in 3-month sprints. So here I've got 3-month master plan. And within that, then I will organize my work on daily, weekly, and so forth. Now, what's cool here is we look at the different views. We can look at the work I'm doing in this kind of detail, what I call my core areas of work that I need to focus on. And so I've got operational content. And what's so cool here is we can just go like that. I used to always go into my Google Calendar and block out time for all the things that I'm doing. I still do a little bit of that. For example, today is December 7th, and I've got some things that I didn't get to yesterday under operations. What I can do is carry it forward to today. I can just go in here and maybe carry it forward, tracking. I like to do some of these projects later in the day and take the more challenging projects for earlier. When I do that, it'll automatically adjust. Now, let's go back to the other view here. What I've got is the same master 3-month plan, but in date order. So now you'll see my daily things here. What I love, again, it's collapsible. I've got a series of things. When I'm working on tasks, LinkedIn Analytics, I've got my link right here to go to LinkedIn Analytics, and I can put extra descriptions here. So that's daily. Now let's go to weekly, and I've got that. Now, if I go into the way I've broken it out is with my 3-month, I've created a month breakout, and within each month, I have which week. So I'm always looking at the cadence for accomplishing what I need to accomplish. And also, you'll notice here, actually, as I think of it, I have created so that I can see what I've been doing and what I've been completing. I can organize that information, take a review of what I'm doing. But what I love here is I'll go in date order. So let's remove this now, and we'll go back to what I'm working on. So in date order, as I mentioned, it's December 7th. Now in date order, I've got my different primary categories. When I'm looking at it in this view, it's my work day. And then when I look at it in this view, it's how I'm continuing to organize my work within these different core areas. It's intuitive. Once you start using and setting up Airtable, I see no reason to have, yes, I can and will use maybe from time to time Google Sheets or Excel and so forth, but this database has so much functionality. To me, there's just no end to the applications. And in fact, maybe in another video, I'll talk more about how I'm using it as a light, not a full-fledged CRM, but as a light CRM.